Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another wig review. It's the same day, just act like it's not. But if you guys didn't see my Yara Bangs video, definitely go check that out. Like I said in the video, I did like the style of the wig, but I wasn't a fan of the color. So I got the wig through a website called HairSoFly. I found out about this website through a friend that I have on social media. We went to the same college, and she does amazing wig tutorials and unboxing and everything. I'm gonna link her YouTube channel down below. So yeah, so now I have a new wig for you guys, and this one is still in the beginner stage of wigs where like you are not experienced in how to style and make a wig look realistic. So this one is definitely in the beginner level, and it's definitely going to be helpful for someone who doesn't know a lot about wigs like I do. I don't know anything about wigs. So yeah, so this one that I have is from Sensationnel. It's their Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, and it says what lace hairline illusion lace wig, 100% premium fiber, and this is their wig called CHRISSY. And yeah, so I have this wig in 1B, and super happy about this one. This is like I'm like really happy. I want to know what this one looks like. So yeah, so this wig is well crafted soft Swiss lace from ear to ear with comb and adjustable straps for a secure fit. It has a 3x6 customized what do you call it, lace. Like it's 100% hand tied and pre-plucked to create a realistic natural density illusion hairline. And yeah, it's a undetectable translucent Swiss lace for a seamless hairline and natural parting right out of the box. So this has pre-plucked hairline for the hair, so that's the reason why I picked this one, because if you buy a normal lace wig that doesn't have a pre-pluck, you have to go ahead and pluck it so the density looks okay, so it doesn't look like you have a whole bunch of hair here and it just, you know. So I'm really excited to try CHRISSY. Like I said, I have her in the color 1B. It says it is safe to use up to 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. So I have the stock card of CHRISSY, and it comes with all of these color. So this is a CHRISSY out of the bag, the wig out of the bag. So the wig has combs on the back of it. So we have 1, 2, 3 combs. Yeah, it looks like we have 3 combs, and then we have adjustable straps. So this is good. And this is what the wig looks like. She feels really nice. So this is the lace inside of the wig. This is how big it is. So you could do customized parts, whatever you want. Part in the middle, part in the right, part on the left. You could do whatever you want with the parting of the wig. But the thing is, this lace looks a little bit light. So yeah, we might have to do a little bit of makeup trick on it. So yeah, I'm really scared to cut the lace because I never cut a lace of a wig before. So yeah, we're gonna try to put her on and see what she looks like without, I didn't cut the lace yet. So yeah, the lace is definitely looking a little light, and it doesn't make it better because I have a super light cap on, so that doesn't even make it better. So definitely when I style this and I want to go out, I definitely will have to put on a more, what do you call it, darker cap, or put foundation on it or whatever. So yeah, I'm liking the wig so far. I need to cut the lace. I need to put makeup on my cap, makeup on the lace, just so that it blends to my skin tone, because I am on the dark side of you know, makeup, and it looks really good. I feel like this is what I am looking for in a wig. It's really soft and it has volume, and it's not like super dense where like it doesn't look realistic. It looks really realistic. If you want, you could style it, maybe a super like deep part. I don't know, we're gonna get creative. In this video I won't be showing the styling of it because I need to get the products to style a wig and stuff like that, but I could definitely see a few different, what do you call it, styles in my head with this wig, and I feel like this is gonna be like my go-to wig, like come on. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace, and I'm gonna pray that I don't mess it up. So yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the hair on me. This is what it looks like. I definitely need to do a little bit more to customize it to me so it looks more realistic, but as far as the styling of the wig, the way it looks, the way it look that it's giving me, it's definitely perfect. This is what I want in a wig. Yeah, like this is definitely, I think I might do this wig on a side part instead of a middle. I'm not sure. Definitely a lot of thinking to go into this wig and make sure it's customized to my liking. So unlike the first wig review I did, the Yara bangs, this wig CHRISSY is going to need a little bit more work done to her. Definitely to blend in the lace to look much natural. Definitely to like add some products to this so it lays a little flat. It's poofy right now, but yeah, definitely this is a look in a wig that I'm going for. Definitely what I want. So I forgot to mention how much I paid for this wig. This wig was $48, and I definitely felt like I got my money's worth. I'm gonna show you guys what the back looked like. So yeah, I'm super excited how the wig look in this unboxing review. I definitely didn't come back with a video of me styling the wig when I get all the styling products that I need. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.